Action.
Hey backyarders, today we're just doing some country rails we picked up from the local store here, and I'm trying something different. I'm putting them on skewers, nothing special, nothing you have to do, but sometimes I just get tired of flipping everything over individually, so just trying something out here new, and let's see how it works out. Okay, so far so good. Just spraying them down with a little cooking oil here. I just do that so the rub that I make sticks a little bit to the meat a little better, but you can use whatever you want. Some people use mustard. I tend to go for the cooking spray. And this rub, this is just something that I made up at home. A little salt, a little pepper, a little cayenne, some paprika, but you can use your favorite rub, or you can come up with your own. Now, out at the pit, we just burned down a little bit of coals, and I'm going to add some wood to that. Use the wood of your choice. Me personally, if I'm doing pork, I tend to go for something sweet, apple or cherry. Typically, I'll let this run for about 30 minutes, but it's more about the color. And ensure that you're burning clean smoke. Very, very important. One way to achieve that is when I light my wood, I leave the box open. I leave the side vent wide open on the side because you want that airflow pushing through your pit, all right? So you don't get that thick, cloudy smoke. I know it's a little dark out here, but I'll show you in a second my smokestack. And that's what you want, guys. You don't want any of that puffy smoke coming out of there. So as I'm flipping here, I went a little longer than 30 minutes because I didn't have the color quite like I wanted. So it's good to have a timeline that's a good basis, but really pay attention to your color and make sure that you're not rushing it. You cannot rush good barbecue. And yes, I said barbecue. Okay, I think the smoker's done its job. We got some good color on there. I can tell we got some good smoke penetration. So we're going to go ahead and pull them off, and we're going to head inside to finish this off, okay? Stay with me, guys. Man, this is looking good enough to eat already, but we're not done yet. We're almost there. I'm just checking here for tenderness, not really checking for temp. Sorry about that moment I had, guys. But this sauce is flat out amazing. That's all I'm going to say about it. Look it up, get you some. Okay, now back to finishing this off. Now we're going straight into the oven with this. Now I know some of you guys may disagree with this, but we're not putting any more smoke on it. It's just heat at this point. Might as well save some fuel, right? Now the cooking may be over, but the party is just getting started. Oh yeah, we gonna party. DJ Q, hit it! I'm so glad you guys stopped by. I know you're glad too. And this is a preview of some of the things you got to look forward to here on Backyard Q. I hear some of y'all saying right now, Mr. Backyard, I ain't got time for all this long smoking and barbecuing. And that's true, but that's not the only thing you can do in the backyard. You can do like I say. If you don't have time to barbecue, then grill. Hey, y'all still here? I see you over there shaking your head and patting your feet. That's all right. Go ahead. All right, we winding down. If you ain't got it in, you still got a little bit of time left. If you enjoyed yourself, you like what you heard, you like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend, and tell a neighbor. All right, now, as y'all set out to leave, I'd like to send you off in peace, love, and Q.